vlogger, so thank you. Oh my god. Fucked up, but don't be mad at me because I think you're gonna do it. Right? So I feel like they do that shit to get a reaction. It's crazy.
Body, lip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go?
Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Cree. I don't think I ever told y'all my name, but y'all should put two and two together, right? So yeah, anyway, my name is Cree, and yeah, welcome to my channel. I'm looking a mess. Like, I'm just gonna go get some food. I don't like this angle. Is that better? Yeah, so I'm about to go get some food. Like I said, I'm looking a mess. Oh my god. I'm just going through the drive-through. So I typically do not leave the house in my bonnet. Look at my nails. I'm not even gonna tell y'all what happened. I'm sick of paying $80, $90, $100 for my nails to pop off in 2 weeks. My nails popping off like I'm about to pop off too, because why are my nails popping off? Like, it's a problem, it's an issue. So anyway, hold on y'all. Yeah, like I was saying, it's an issue for me. Like, I don't have the money to be spending, to be going to spend $90 to $100 a week at the nail salon, and my nails keep popping off. If I'm gonna spend that much money, I need my nails to at least last for at least a month, at least 3 weeks, because yeah, what's happening? But anyway, I gotta go to work today. It's Wednesday, and I gotta go to New York, and I'm over it. Oh.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the app today?
No. What happened to y'all screen? I can't see. Hello?
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing good. I was just wondering what happened to y'all glass out here. Oh my god.
Girl, they is tweaking out there.
I clearly
Somebody done
see.
broke the screen and everything.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
But can I have 2 number ones? That's the Big Mac, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I have 2 number ones, a medium?
What's the drink?
Both with sweet teas.
Okay.
And I think that's it for now.
Okay, next window.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Child, they done shattered the goddamn glass. See? This hood shit is like, I gotta come all the way from the burbs to go to a daggone McDonald's. Like, it's ridiculous. But yeah, I was telling y'all about my nails. It's no reason. Let me tell y'all what to walk around with, because I'm not confident in my nails lasting. I gotta walk around with freaking nail glue. Why? Why am I walking around with dollar nail glue and my nails cost $90, nails and feet? I shouldn't have to do that. Like, anyway, all right, okay, sir. Oh my goodness, y'all. Hi, how much is it?
So take me $21.30.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Let me roll my window up, child, because yeah, I don't know what's going on. They done broke the monitor, the screen, everything. Like, what's I don't get it. But I know y'all like, damn, why you order 2 Big Macs? I ordered one for me and one for my mom. My mom, she never knows what she wants, so she was like, well, what you get? And I told her a Big Mac. She's like, oh yeah, get me that too. Never tell your peoples you going to go get something to eat because they're gonna be like, oh yeah, get me something too. But that's my mama, so I'ma get it. So what I was about to say. Oh, hello. Hi, how are you? Thank you. Can I have a cup holder, please? Why the fuck I gotta tell her I need a cup holder for 2 drinks? Thank you. And can I have another bag? It's 2 separate orders. And can I have ranch and ketchup? Thank you. Have a good one. Y'all. Did she put straws in my bag? Y'all, I'm sick of these paper straws. Like, whoever created these daggone paper straws, they go to hell. I'm just saying. Go straight to HE double hockey sticks because it just doesn't make any sense. It alters the taste of the drink. But what I got going on this week? Oh my god, my allergies are so bad, y'all, it's ridiculous. But yeah, this week I'm taking my nursing school entrance exam. Look, girl, I wish I had the camera facing this way so I could show y'all what I'm looking at. Oh my god. But I'm about to take my nursing school entry exam this week, so wish me luck. I know I got a lot on my plate, but the opportunities are presenting themselves and I'm gonna take it because I'm that girl. Like, what's going on? Sips that tea, okay? So yeah, I'll do that tomorrow. Y'all gonna sit in with me during the test? I ain't even gonna do it to myself. Let me back up because yeah, no. I ain't even gonna do it because I was in the middle of the intersection. But yeah, I'll do that and then I have to go. I think I'm gonna get my nails done because I'm not gonna walk around like this. Unfortunately, I gotta go to work like this. And no, I'm not gluing my nails back on, no. So they could pop off again, no. And for the girlies that get their nails done, you already know when your nails start lifting, it hurts. And your hair gets, no, I ain't got time. So yeah, I gotta take my nursing school entry exam, my TEAS test. I am so freaking nervous. Like, it's just to see if I can get into nursing school, but if I fail it, like, I'm gonna take it again because I'm tired of transportation. Working in transportation is not for me. Like, no, I'm just done with that. So I am looking for a career change. If that means I have to go back to school, why not? I'm gonna go back to school. So, and if I do get into nursing school, I'll be in nursing school for about like 2.5 years. So it is what it is. So I'm looking forward to that. Y'all wish me luck. Yeah. Let me eat one of these prime. So what's going on? It's not even 2 p.m. and the traffic is trafficking. Anyway, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna do that and then I think that's it. I got a influencer event coming up. I think that's in about 2 weeks. Y'all already know the vibes. Y'all coming with me, so I ain't even worried about that. It's in the city, so I think I am gonna end up taking like a bus. I don't know, I might take the bus or the train, depending on, I gotta like put it in my Google Maps or whatever, because certain places from Jersey into New York, it'll be convenient to take the bus or it'll be convenient to take the train. So I just gotta map it out and see. But I am going. That's Thursday. I'm off on Thursday. So yeah, why not? Dossier, hey girl, sponsor me because I love y'all fragrances. So yeah, I think that's about it. So when I get home, I'm gonna eat something I don't know whose fries I'm eating, whether they mine's or my mama's, but somebody's fries about to be low by the time I get in the house. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shower and get dressed for work. That about it. So I'll probably pick y'all back up in a minute. Y'all wanna come to work with me or not? Go! Let me go. Love y'all. It's ridiculous.
You do your own legs or you go get it done?
No, I'm there.
You do it your own?
Yeah.
I used to go get mine done.
I don't wax them.
Guess how much they want for it?
I think I want to start waxing my underarms though.
Yeah, I get mine done too. Guess
How much they want?
25?
That's not bad.
Oh, damn.
What?
$90.
For what?
Your whole legs. From the top to
Oh,
bottom.
from the top
But
though.
the top and bottom was cheaper too.
I'm addicted to these. What's this? Big Macs.
I can't believe it's 1 o'clock already. Two more legs. Oh, you up? Think you gotta do them all?
No, I'm gonna my nails done. This Big Mac right here.
I want to get my feet done.
Oh my
Go
god.
down to AC. We might not go.
I'm coming with y'all.
You going with us this week? Or in July?
Where y'all going?
We both go this month. In July.
Hey y'all, so I'm waiting for this bus to get to New York. My journey to get here was insane. Like, you see, I want to know who's issuing licenses because it's giving illegal. It's giving they bought their licenses. Like, it's giving it's too many motherfuckers on the road. I need to talk to the DMV and I need to talk to these car dealerships. Like, these car dealerships don't care who they sell a car to. Am I right or am I right? They just trying to make that sale, period. But anyway, I'm waiting for my bus. It should be pulling up in like, damn, I forgot my watch. It's okay. It's okay. It should be pulling up in like, last time I checked, in like 2 minutes actually. So I'll holler at y'all. Or something. I don't know. Hold on, y'all. Y'all know I'm clumsy. I'm about to get on the escalator. I always get tangled up with these. Like, look, I'm like this now. Whew. So when I'm in like close spaces like a bus, anything like that, I try to wear a mask. So I'm just trying to find the paperwork that I need. Is this what it is? They so unorganized, y'all. I don't know why they have 126 papers in a 123 folder. But who am I? Who am I? I'm new. I'm just starting here, so look. So how am I supposed to do my job efficiently? How? 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 It's ridiculous, y'all. Absolutely ridiculous. Like, come on. This is why, like, I don't like coming here, because they expect you to be ready, but they don't have the efficient stuff that you need for you to do your job. Like, it's crazy to me. Anyway, I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on from here.
Somebody asked me about what would I said 4:45. It was like 3 o'clock. So then I'm doing my stuff. And she comes back and I said, I told you that it's 4:45. She goes, no, I didn't know you were talking to me. I was like, you were the only one asking me a question. I was just going, I walked away. I was like,
It's like they want a reaction out of you for what? Like, it's crazy for somebody to stand there. We make more money than the commuters, so they need, like, their teachers. And, you know, it's fucked up, but don't be mad at me because I think it's good for you, right? So I feel like they do that shit to get a reaction. It's crazy. My nails, we about to go fix those. I think the last time I picked y'all up was work got a little hectic, so I couldn't pick up my phone. But y'all, for my lunch break yesterday, I had went into the city, and y'all already know this damn camera died, so yeah, I couldn't bring y'all with me. So maybe next weekend. It's okay, the city will always be there. No worries, no worries. So yeah, maybe next weekend I'll take y'all to the city. But yeah, I'm currently on my way to the nail salon, and it's late. I had to take my my nursing school entry exam, and I passed out because we smart over here, period. So I was doing that all morning. So yeah, that basically took up my time. Why do these people take up 2 parks? But yeah, that took up my time this morning, or whatever the case may be. And yeah, that was it. So it was from like 11 to 3, and then I laid around for like an hour. I was calling my family so they could celebrate me. me, yeah. And then my nails got worse. Like, why do I only have 2 nails on? And then on top of that, I'm gonna see if I could insert a picture into this video. These 2 nails probably lasted because they're new. I had to come back a week later and got these 2 on, which I hate the shape. Like, girl, don't do me. Don't do that. And then, yeah, like, no, we not walking around like this. I know I'm looking a little crazy right now, but that's besides the point. Okay, I literally just, yeah, no. What? Yeah, no, it's a no. But yeah, I'll holler. Let me pick y'all back up later. Love y'all. Bye.
Tiene que poner el lado. You don't know how to pay any money? No. Pay any money?
I don't really know how I feel about these, but we'll see if I'm here in a week for a polish change. I don't know, but anyway, this is the pedicure. I'm going to get these nails done, and yeah, stay tuned. I showed y'all the color I got. Maybe if I take it off. Yeah, this is the color, because y'all always asking me what color I got on my nails. So this one is Buttered Corn 746. So I must get that. So stop asking me what I wear on my nails, because I'm showing y'all right now.
You got all that stuff. I mean, is it 95 or what? I know it's just me.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm a vlogger, so thank you. Hey y'all. When I tell y'all last night, I was done for. Like, I was done for. I went out by myself. I had a few cocktails, too many cocktails. I was close to home, I know, but I was done up. Where is he at for this gas? It's no sense of urgency anywhere. But yeah, I had a time by myself. Thirsty Thursdays, period. So y'all would not believe what happened to me. So yesterday I got an email saying that my storage unit flooded, and y'all know I was about to move sometime in June, July, and now I gotta go assess the damage. I don't know. I'm like, I don't know, y'all. I just hope it's not too bad, but the lady told me that they are insured, so if worst case scenario, they gonna cut the check. But that's besides the point. But it's like, it's one thing after another. One thing after another. It's always something, very much something going on. I just can't fucking win. I just don't get it. Hi, can you fill it up, plus?
You want a receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you. I'm just like, so I'm gonna bring y'all along with me, and hopefully it's not too bad. We'll see. Thank you. I can't win, y'all. I can't win. I can't win. I promise you, there's always something going on with me. Like, but I'm gonna be optimistic about it. I'm just looking at it as maybe it's not the right time to move, or maybe I'm supposed to have a bigger, let me roll y'all up. Maybe I'm supposed to have a bigger bed, a bigger whatever. Like if it's damaged and I can't use it, like maybe this is God's way of just taking it away from me and presenting me with something different. So I'm gonna take it and be positive with it. But yeah, y'all like my nails? I never had this color before. These are the nails. Y'all like? Yeah. Pretty, yellow. I like them. They hella cute. They look like little Micronikes, but yeah, I'ma just take it and just be optimistic about it. So I'll see y'all at the storage unit. Period. Oh my God. What was it? Well, it's not facing mine, so. Oh shit. Y'all, I'm here and it looks like it was a flood, like real bad. I'm hoping that my stuff is not too fucked up, because yeah, this is crazy. And there's an extra lock on mine that I don't know what this lock means. I don't know if it means it was flooded. I don't know. Oh my God, this manager needs to hurry up because my heart is palpitating. I need to see my stuff. Oh. Like, this is my lock, but I don't know what this lock means. It's crazy. Absolutely insane. So if y'all ever get a storage unit, make sure that it's like on the top floor, because wow.
I don't see any water.
Hey y'all, so I just left the car wash. Oh shoot, I just got a car wash. I'm sorry. That's why I'm like, oh my God, I just rolled my damn window down.
That's 1308. The drink. What do you want for the drink?
Pink lemonade. Let me close my door, cause yeah, they like to carjack motherfuckers around here. Thank you.
You say you want a barbecue sauce?
Yes, please. Thank you. So yeah, I just left the car wash and I done ruined my car wash because I rolled my window down. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Let me check my order. All right. No, I didn't get 2 meals. No. Y'all. KFC. This y'all chicken nuggets? This y'all tenders? Yup. Wow. Did she give me a straw? What in the chicken leg is that, KFC? Come on now. I don't get it. What kind of chicken tenders are those? They like not even, that's a chicken fling. Come on. Yeah. I'ma still eat it, but damn, come on. It's crazy. Y'all know who would never? Cane's, but we ain't got one. They building one though. Cane's will never. Come on now. That's crazy. Y'all see how little that those I can't win, y'all. I promise y'all. I'm not complaining, but I just cannot win with anything. It's crazy. Like, I don't know. Lemonade good though. I got some pink lemonade. So what I did was I was hungry, so this was the closest spot, and I don't feel like driving too much longer because I'm tired. So I had called my boyfriend and asked if he wanted something. So I got him a little one piece or whatever he asked for. Why they gotta get close? You see I'm turning. Why you gotta get so close to the car? Oh my God. Anyway, yeah, my boyfriend, he wanted just a little something. So I got him a one piece. Who said he wasn't really hungry? But you know when they say they not hungry, you gotta get them something because you not digging in my food. I barely got chicken tenders to share. But I'm about to shoot over there real quick. And then I'm gonna head home because I'm still feeling tipsy from yesterday, from last night. I think Ebony's gonna hit me up, y'all favorite girl. So I'm gonna probably wait for her call. And I'll pick y'all back up. When she call me, I'll call y'all. Okay? Her people call my people. And I'm gonna call my people. Period. Hey y'all, so I know it's been a few days since I picked y'all back up, but nothing much has really been going on. But anyway, this wig is just a hot mess. It doesn't smell, but I have been sweating, and the only reason why I'm washing it is because look at this part right here. She is a crunchy mess. Like, she's no longer translucent. Like, she got a film over her. This part is crunchy. So I will be washing her. Y'all know what I wash my wigs with. Let's not play. $1.25 Tree conditioner. $1.25 Tree shampoo. Let's get into it. Sorry if I sound a little stuffy. My allergies are allergying, okay? And the pollen, she's doing what she's doing to me because she hates me. While I rub this in, we are not going to waste water because I'm trying to save the planet. So while I scrub and detangle and do all of that, I'm going to just cut my water off. So as y'all can see, I'm just like cleaning this part especially. I'm going to clean the whole wig obviously, but this part right here, like it's so much buildup right here from that spray that I used. Yeah, no. We gotta scrub her. And if I'm being harsh, my bad. Look The shampoo is brown. Child. She clearly needed a triple, quadruple wash. 'Cause baby, ain't no way. So I'm just lathering her up real good. Hey y'all, so this has been sitting in conditioner for maybe about 30 minutes. So I'm about to go ahead and rinse this out, and the lace looks so much better. Look at that. Hey y'all, so I am on my way to work. I am freaking starving. I was just laying around, and y'all know I had to do this wig. I had to blow dry it. I deep conditioned it. I put some silicone mix in it, and I flat ironed it, and I laid it flat. My forehead looked big as hell. I could have pulled the wig down a little bit, but yeah, it is what it is. So I'm actually on my way to work right now. This is what the hair came out to look like. She is luxurious. Come on, Wiggins hair. This, if y'all look on my shorts, this wig came styled, curl, pre-pluck, pre-bleach, all of that. And when I tell y'all, it had literally no shedding, no shedding. I'm talking about when I was washing it, rubbing it, blow drying it, no shedding, no hair flying all around the room, like none of that. Like, yeah, go get y'all a Wiggins wig. I don't know who they got in them factories, baby, but these wigs are definitely A1, I promise y'all. But yeah, I'm on my way to work. Ain't nothing else going on. I wish these people would get off their brakes and drive, but who am I? Yeah, my allergies acting up as usual, so I need to hurry up and get indoors as soon as possible. And I'm about to hurry up and get off the phone with y'all, because I gotta roll my windows down, because I still didn't get my AC fixed and it's hot. Yeah, can y'all see my nose? Y'all see? My nose is freaking like glistening right now. But I'll holla. I'll talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, so today was intense. I barely got a chance to eat. I don't like that, because y'all know I'm on a weight gain journey, so I have to constantly eat. I was on my feet for like 6 hours out of the 8 that I've worked. Whew. But yeah, other than that, I had a pretty pretty damn good day. And let's get into this Flat Out Fabulous lipstick. MAC. I haven't worn my MAC lipsticks in a minute. And honey, this is like 8 hour wear. I did not retouch her at all. I didn't retouch this at all. It's a little faded, but it lasted through me drinking water consistently. I had some chips, some cookies, and like a bite of a sandwich, and she is still on there. The color is still on there. So let me find out. I need to go back to MAC. Yeah, because MAC is that girl. I forgot about her because everybody else came out with their stuff. Morphe, NYX, NYX. Yeah, but MAC is the OG. That's how I feel about me doing makeup. I'm the OG. Like, I've been doing this for 10 plus years. You know what I'm saying? I just wasn't recording my stuff, which I should have been. But yeah, I used to have a YouTube page, Diva Candy. That's what I was known for. Yeah, go look at my old YouTube channel, but I deleted all of the videos. Child, when I think about where I could have been if I stuck with it, me and my best friend, my sister Martika, yeah, we was on YouTube heavy, like maybe a little bit longer than 12 years, maybe 10 years, maybe about 12 years. So, but anyway, y'all, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna end this vlog or not. I don't know. We might keep it going because y'all been liking my hour vlogs. We ain't ending this. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow though, cause I'm tired. So yeah, I'm about to go home and watch Chelsea cause I gotta catch up with her vlogs. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow. Yeah, bye again.
I think you should. It's cute. Yeah, I was going to carry this bag, but I don't think I'm going to carry it because I don't feel like actually holding it. I just probably put my crossbody on, so I don't have to worry about keeping up with my purse.
I apologize. Oh, believe me, I do. Anyway, y'all, I'm on lunch break. I made me a turkey and cheese sandwich. Y'all know I love my turkey and cheese with 2 types of cheeses. I got provolone and American on here. I love my cheese. So yeah, I'm in training class. The shit is boring as hell. I know I didn't talk about training class because I didn't know I had training class. Crazy. Like, they just sprung it on me. I was at work yesterday and I was checking my emails and they're like, yeah, it's an emergency training, it's mandatory. I said, by whom? Like, and then on top of that, it's a 3-day training. I'm off on Thursday, so now I gotta go to training on my day off. Like, come on. So this week I can't even go to, I was gonna go to this event for Dossier, so I can't even do that, and I'm a little ticked off. So I have to do this 3-day training course, and it's absolutely ridiculous. I feel like I should have went to work this week and then did training next week, but who am I? And yes, I still have my fan going because I didn't get my AC fixed yet. I also was gonna do that on my day off too. I had to go to my storage unit because I have to take my stuff out of there to move into my parents' garage. Not me personally, but move my stuff into my parents' garage. So it's just a lot of things that I have to do this week, and this training is in the way. So anyway, I gotta find time to do that. I got a makeup appointment to do for a bridal party, a bridal shower on Sunday. I got my trip coming up. I just got too much shit going on. And this training is in the way. I promise you, this training is in the way. But anyway, yeah. I'm about to just chill with my fan. Eat my food. Y'all know me. I don't really like being around the co-workers. So everybody else in the break room, as y'all can see, I am in my car. Y'all could be faking cadoodle amongst each other, but anyway, y'all, I know y'all really don't like to see people eat on camera, because y'all made that known. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. I don't have anything else going on today. I might have date night on Thursday. My boyfriend said he was gonna take me out, but if I'm too tired after training, it's just gonna have to wait. I'll keep y'all updated, and I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Love y'all. That's my AC, y'all. That is my AC. Ridiculous. I know. Oh, hey. I'm just getting off work, y'all. Well, training, but still work. If I'm in this uniform, it's work. So y'all, I had to find some scissors. Because I cannot open this bag. Like, I hate when bags are like triple double knotted like this. It makes no sense. What's the reason? I didn't do it, but one of my passengers, when I was driving, but I'm just now getting this out the trunk. They got me all of these wipes, so we could use them around the house. So yeah, I got like 20 more of these in the damn trunk. I'm like slowly but surely trying to get them out the trunk, because no. Oh, y'all, guess what? I found my favorite Jordans. Like, when I moved back home, like, I feel like everything got lost. I still can't find my Balenciagas. I think I left them in Atlantic City, honestly, but where's my Balenciagas? Over.